Hello students, today we are going to start the conductivity is a reciprocal of the resistivity or specific resistance, and it is denoted by K kappa. Mathematically it is written as K kappa is equal to 1 upon rho, and rho, that is rho ohm centimeter, as we proved in last class. K is equal to rho inverse centimeter inverse. It is also written as Siemens centimeter inverse. Molar conductivity, it is the conductivity arises due to 1 mole of electrolyte in 1 liter of solution. 1 लीटर वाटर में 1 मोल, and 1 mole is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. That much electrolyte is to be passed, and which is kept 1 centimeter apart of the electrolyte, and it is denoted, molar conductivity is denoted by lambda m. Mathematically we can write it as lambda m is equal to K into 1000 by C, and it is arises due to 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte. It is just simple definitions. Solution when it is kept 1 centimeter apart of the electrolyte, and here it is effect of dilution on conductivity. During dilution, number of ions per unit volume is decreases. क्या होगा? डाइल्यूशन करोगे तो जो भी आयंस है पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम डिक्रीजेस. एज अ रिजल्ट कंडक्टिविटी ऑलवेज डिक्रीजेस फॉर वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. Conductivity will always decreases on the dilution. As there is a dilution, what will happen? The conductivity will decrease in weak electrolyte or strong electrolyte. Effect of dilution of molar conductivity. For strong electrolyte, the molar conductivity increases for strong electrolyte because its concentration decreases. Molar conductivity increases for strong electrolyte because its concentration decreases, and during dilution there is number of ions decreases minutely because of strong electrolyte. What is there? Molar conductivity at infinite dilution is known as limiting molar conductivity. It is denoted by lambda naught m, that is limiting molar conductivity. Lambda naught m is calculated by Debye-Huckel and Onsager equation, that is lambda m is equal to lambda naught m minus a root c. Lambda m is molar conductivity, lambda naught m is limiting molar conductivity on the dilution, and constant a is constant, and concentration, it is graphically it is shown representation plotted between molar conductivity, right, 0.2 to, in this what is happening, there is a decrease in the concentration of KCl. Concentration is decreasing for the strong electrolyte. Today we will keep up to here. Next time we will see weak electrolyte. Thank you.